No. Give her your phone right quick.
No. Give my phone.
What's up?
Shit, I'll call you in a second.
Hey, listen, hold on real quick. You said what?
I'm finna get out my work phone.
But your phone's shitty, so call me on his phone. Your camera's shitty.
Who camera shitty?
Yours. On that damn Android.
On that Android.
Hey, shut up and hurry up. Gonna roll up.
Niggas always talking about Michelle Barack. Michelle is a man. Out of all the ugly ass first ladies, she got to be a man. That's the most corniest shit in the world. Us people, as black people, we on that bullshit. She got kids. She look better than any other fucking first lady ever. But all these gay people out here, we gotta put her on together. That's the coldest, stupidest shit in the world. Coldest, stupidest shit in the world. The thing about Barack Obama is the best thing that ever happened to him, that he had a black woman. He never even fucked with black women. This was all a move. They picked her exactly. They did the due diligence for this broad before he even had her. They made sure he was gonna get this black woman. They picked her out specially. Especially. This nigga didn't know nothing but white women his whole career. So, and then, this is what I'm gonna say about this shit. When it came to Ronald Reagan, he was doing cocaine. His wife was on let's stop cocaine. He had eggs frying, right? So with Barack, it's all about this bullshit ass food. We eating a lot of bullshit food, and Michelle is the most healthiest first lady ever. So it's always gonna be a contrast like that. First person gonna be about the bullshit, and the other one's gonna come in the good shit. So that's what it is, bro. Don't go for the hype. Oh yeah? Crystal don't play. That nigga's shoes too slippery. Got them player wheels on, he gonna slip playing. Got them pirate wheels on. He gonna slip playing. Come on, man.
You know what they're trying to do? They get ready for this fucking water.
But what?
You know what this is? Like you go to this river, you go to
When we shot the back, was going down on the town, LA, you know what I'm saying? Straight from Chicago, chilling with B.I. on Ratchet, you know. What's the name of it again? Ratchet TV, you know what I'm saying? We on Ratchet TV.
It's Ratchet TV.
It's our time.
Now, Kenya got developed airport. Yeah. We ain't going to Soweto. We going to Kenya. And you mean to tell me you ain't been to see your grandmother in 27 years because the plane was too big to land at the local airport? That was his response. That's Barack. That's Barack's response. It's right here. So
let me get this 7 down to the
I don't know none of these things. So I just can go on. Hey, and you can believe or you can not. I ain't gonna argue. I don't care. I know what I believe, and that's not gonna change. Right here. So this part. I don't advise you to change what you believe. My grandma.
This was after he was president or before?
She died in our election.
Oh, wow.
Nigga. Huh?
Talking about he don't know how to play.
All that shit is bullshit, bro. That nigga didn't even fuck with the dad. His African grandmother died. Now his rich ass white grandmother. Get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. You went to a $40,000 school. That's a lie. That's a lie. I ain't gonna feed. I already spread to you. That's a lie. You're talking about his African grandmother, bro. How you gonna fucking get over here? Listen, I ain't the best. I don't like to rock like that. But all that ain't the problem. That nigga he has an African name. His African name is more powerful and it stood for a lot more than other bullshit. The nigga's African. That's what it is. Whether he visited his grandmother or not, he lied to you about the fucking father giving him a basketball. Ain't no Africans giving no basketball, they getting soccer balls. Nigga know his daddy bought him a soccer ball. He been lying. You don't think so? Man, ain't no African daddy bringing no basketball. Nigga been lying. Get them. Boom, boom. Boom. She ain't got no manly features, man.
Big ass grill or whatever.
She look like one of those ex-bitches. I fucked her. She look like one of my ex-bros, dog. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and all this, she got big hands. You wouldn't say that to Layla Ali. That bitch fine. Them motherfuckers with big ass hands. Slap the shit out of your ass with them big ass hands. They wouldn't say that to Layla Ali about her hands. Nigga, her hands is out to here. Nigga, she could slap you from right here. You don't know, y'all don't know. That's why she was a winner.
Said motherfucker wouldn't say nothing about
Everybody gonna say nothing about your hands. She could slap the shit out of your ass. And she got big feet. This bitch got all ass shit too. Look at this tall ass. This bitch 6'4". Come here. Look at these big ass hands on this woman. She ain't breathing now. Women got hands.
I knocked it in there, right?
Come here.
He's
Hey! 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 She ain't coming. She ain't even here. Big. Man, she like 6'4". Y'all don't know, she like 6'4". That's PA ball. He rolled that. He rolled that more than before.
Shit.
Oh, so I don't want to get up in trouble.
Nah. No trouble. That's just the homie.
I see, yeah, it's whoa. Cardi B.
Yeah, you better get away from that A-ball over there. Let me get this,
Real. It's Michelle Barack Obama, man. That's what I'm saying, man.
Okay, so look. Okay. Michelle Obama. So you believe the Barack that he was a crackhead, a homosexual crackhead?
Hell no. Well, you said what now? Barack's stepdad is a goddamn billionaire. That nigga went to a $40,000 school in the 70s, nigga. You know how much that is? Come on, man. That nigga's in Hawaii and Iowa, bro. Come on, man. That nigga, there's pictures of this nigga. It's pictures of this nigga at Katrina with both presidents, with Bill and Bush. They wanted to see what he would look like. Man, they been putting this nigga together, man. He been fucking white bitches. He couldn't. They put Michelle together with this nigga. Now, did the fine movement step to him? Yeah, that's true. But other than that nigga, man, the gay step to that nigga like we got a bag for you. We need you to push this gay shit. Yeah, that's true. But all that other sucker shit, he can't really do nothing. The best thing he could do is show up to work, because niggas don't show up to work. He showed up every goddamn day and didn't get killed. Niggas died at the end of the movie. He did the best goddamn thing, and he had a nigga name. He didn't get in there with a regular ass, picking cotton ass name. He had a fucking African name. The nigga showed up every day. He had a black wife. He didn't have no white bitch on the side. That nigga, he did everything we wanted him to do. What more you want? If he would have did something right, they would have killed his ass. Nigga smoke weed. Nigga smoke Newport. Get the fuck out of here. What more do you want? That shit is ridiculous to me, bro. It made me like the nigga more. More he showed up, the more he didn't give a shit about a nigga. And he would lie to you niggas would cry. I could have been just like Trayvon Martin. What part of your life could you have been like Trayvon Martin? You was rich than a motherfucker. You ain't never been like Trayvon Martin. You ain't never got followed. Get the fuck out of here. But I like the nigga though. Because he liked being a nigga. That's why I like Barack. Because he liked being a nigga. Other than that, what was he supposed to do? If he really did something, he would have been killed. Period. Niggas don't show up to work. He showed up to work. He was on time. Nigga kept his wife. Talk about weed. Come on, man, I'm rolling, man. And I saw more drugs under his watch than any other white president. Man, I'm rolling, man. This nigga was good. Bro, that's it. That's all I got to say, man. I ain't got no more to say. Perfect.
That's like that. That's like that cameraman catch everything. Cameraman catch everything.
So look, I was telling her,
I'm telling you to turn the light on.
This nigga Trend. We was having a conversation on hip hop. Right. And it's like, whether you believe it or not, right? And this nigga Tracy just started yelling. Then he laughed. I thought, this nigga cool. Like cameras now. Camera game on you. Camera game on you. That's the problem. Didn't even make that. Yeah. I already know Tracy crazy, man. Tracy started yelling at me. Oh, this nigga crazy.
Back to that. Yeah.
Wayne, what the fuck that mean, man? Hey, Wayne be like this to
Combination.
this. Wayne be like this to this. This to that.
That nigga said this to this. That's why I'm shocked, man. be a cold ass killer. Bacon chuck.
You never said nothing. You just smoked the story after you got the killer. That boy was a super killer, boy.
Yeah. Oh, God damn, I don't know, man. Bumble clock. What bumble clock mean?
Motherfucker.
Ain't your blood clocked up?
Something like that.
Because your blood was clogged up. After all these years, that's gonna be your blood clogged up.
Don't mean motherfucker.
Not really. Like, fuck your mom.
Fuck your mama.
No, you can't feel it. Blood clot. You gonna feel blood clot. You gonna feel this blood. You gonna feel this blood. That's what it means. Not your mama, man. I'm like, motherfucker. Motherfucker.
Mama clock.
That's what my mama is. Motherfucker. That's what it is.
That's what the last ring on shots is when they say mama clock, say motherfucker.
See, that's motherfucker.
Right, so that's what I always tell
Mama clot just mean you gonna see some blood.
Like they language shit. Just like mother can tell me about something.
Yeah, you gonna see some blood. Ooh. You gonna see some blood. That's what that shit means.
Yeah, you gonna let Wayne get down?
Rice and peas.
Come on, man. I'm just
I
trying to
ain't
get
doing shit like that.
Hold it, yeah? But they was trying to hear the push it right at the corner. I'm gonna push it back to the wall.
What is boxy boy?
Be boxy boy. Be gay.
I think the dude that does a boxy boy.
Oh, yeah. The barber dude?
The barber.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm just saying that one boxy boy.
You know,
Yeah, somebody gonna get the whoop in your ass, man.
I ain't worried about none of that shit.
yo, you know what fucked up?
Yo,
Yeah, easy. You know what fucked up? You know what fucked up about it? I caught this girl here. She went over there and we gave her. She was like,
Yes. 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 What I gotta say, it'll cost you your work. This is a boss here. I'm about to check. I just signed well. No blurred lines. My signature double loss till it's big enough. The moves I make is critical. Position how I position on my past, your future. I can see you niggas looking up. Bow your head, say a prayer, and hustle when you open up. The world is mine and everything. IDK, ICK, how you paid? That's your image. This the game, not a scrimmage. And I'm in it just to win it. Retire and raise the grandkids. Papa rolling stone, rolling weed, get them on. I always stack the money cause I was broke when I was born. Let's get them on, man. Dawg, I do this shit, man, for real. Hey, let me light my motherfucking weed. Fill my cup back up. You know what I mean? Yeah. My pants leather, Mike Jack. Suit yourself, it's a life hack. I'll be sure to rock black. Just make sure to rock back. Get your pay, don't fuck with mine. If you do, it's knuckle time. Hammer time, hammer time. Get your pay, don't fuck with mine. Work for hire, my fire. You gotta admire. Jody asked Petey, you a seller or a buyer? Guns and butter. Said the nigga fucking your mother. Who been timing for his brother? That's a cold mother. What I gotta say, it'll cost you your work. This is a boss here. I'm about to check. I just signed well. No blurred lines. My signature double loss till it's big enough. The moves I make is critical. Position how I position on my past, your future. I see you niggas, man. I can see you niggas, man. Hey, check this out, man. What I gotta say, this gon' cost you. You know what I mean? Been doing this for too long, man. Getting money for too long, man. Oh yeah, it gets like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. I had to play my music for y'all. These niggas started talking about some bullshit. They crazy, man. But yeah, this is what we do on a slow day. Sit around, talk shit, shoot pool. You know what I mean? Some of us know how to play, some of us don't. We all learning though. You know what I mean? You ain't growing if you ain't learning. Yeah.
Creative Expressions, formerly Millennium Barbershop on Crenshaw. Chris, Wayne, Sal, B.I., myself, Trendsetter, Shaheed. All these my barber brothers. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking to them people back home. You know what I'm saying? My kids, they mom.
You fucking too married?
Yeah, so don't go. That don't make no sense.
They're married. One
That don't make no
living in
sense.
Compton and one living in Hawthorne.
They both these bitches married. They truck drivers. They men truck drivers or something?
Did you eat today?
Yeah. Right. You make a lot of money.
Right. Exactly. What do y'all